Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, UD. Okay, so we've got this month's BoxyCharm. This one's a bit underwhelming, not gonna lie, but I've got the stuff here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. First up is this primer. It's No POREBLEM Prime Essence. It's Calendula flower extract. Oh my gosh, okay, so it's like really runny. What the heck? It says it has a flower extract. I don't smell anything, which is a good sign because I'm like allergic to fragrance. Like it breaks me out really bad. Wow, this is like really lightweight and runny. Whoa, I've never used a primer like this before. Okay, so this does have fragrance in it. It's too late, it's already on my face, so I hope I don't break out. Okay guys, I'm back. I think my camera cut off when I was talking about the foundation. And now we're gonna get into the next product, which is actually gonna be eyes. This is the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. We already know about Tarte and their palettes. They're very ashy. This one actually has some colors that are a bit salvageable. So I'm just gonna go in with this light brown shade all over my lid. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna spray it first. And I'm gonna take that gold shade and put it on top, just on the center. And to just kind of finish off the look, I'm gonna be taking the dark brown shade. I'm gonna get a little in my crease. Okay, I think I'm done with that. This palette, we got another Tarte palette in a earlier BoxyCharm. This one's actually a little bit better because it has some matte, so I can kind of work with it. And the colors are a bit darker, so I can actually do something with them. I'm actually gonna go pop on some falsies and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so I put my lashes on. I'm actually using the Kiss Blowout Lash. Got a pack of 5. These are really cute. They're like very like flirty and they're just like really cute. I like them. Okay, and I already did my brows off camera. So now we're just gonna get into lips. Well, we have 2 lip products here. We have the Dirty Little Secret lip liner and Rosy Posy. It's kind of chalky. It's not. I don't know what they expect me to do with this color. I'm gonna try this and see. Yeah, this is like really First of all, don't judge me. This pencil, it wasn't as rough as the other, like the bodyography ones that we get, so this was okay. Look at the color. It's not a suitable color for me at all. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. This lip liner is a no-no. Now I'm gonna try out the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Peach Tea. Smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I love it when lip products have scents to them. Okay. Okay, so this is it. This is like, I would say an everyday like lip gloss. It's got like a little bit of a milky sheen, but if you're wearing something under it, that would be fine. I just want to show the color by itself. And for the last product that we have, I have this SKIN&CO Whipped Cleansing Cream. It's made with like truffle extract. It smells like something. And I read the ingredients earlier. This does have fragrance and I can smell it. So actually I'm not gonna put it on my face. I've already risked it with the primer and that's gonna be like a double whammy. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna put it on my face, but I will show you. I have makeup on my hand. I will show you how well it removes the makeup. So I'm just gonna cleanse. Nice and clean. I'm back. My hand. I'll show you guys my hand. I just rinsed it off, so I have some water on it. I got all the makeup off. Did a pretty good job there. Okay, so the cleanser got all the makeup off. That was fantastic. I would expect it would do the same thing to your face if you're really to risk this. Okay, and that would be it for this month's BoxyCharm. Definitely my favorite product would have to be the No POREBLEM Prime Essence. It came out like really watery and I was kind of confused, but it's an essence, so it's like a primer essence, 2-in-1 type thing. And when I was putting on my foundation, I found that it really like kind of gripped to the primer, so that was something very different for me that actually kind of like felt nice on my skin. So I really like that. My least favorite, you already know, is this the friggin' pencil. What the heck? I don't understand. Like the quality was okay. ColourPop makes like the best lip liners that I've ever tried. This was, in the color, okay, you already know how I feel. I don't like it. It was the least favorite product. But yeah, that was it for this month's box. Let me know what you guys got in your box, if you got a box. Let me know whatever your favorite product was in the box, and make sure you follow me on social media. Just hit the little like button down there, give you girls some support, subscribe. All right, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.